I've done some work and I've looked at a lot of gen ed requirements, and if you look at them, quantitative reasoning, global citizenship, ethics, all the things that are important to be a 21st century global citizen, and yet we don't think that media plays a role in that often. And I can take a list of any set of gen ed requirements and tell you where information and educational technology can play a role side by side. And I think another problem we have is those of us who work with technology, and particularly in the CIO office, not so much educational technologists, but those of us who support technology, a lot of individuals at that level don't even know that we have general education requirements and wouldn't know what to do with them if we had them. And so there's a real disconnect. So one of the things that I'm trying to do, at least in my work and in my writing, is to bring to that audience and explain that they have a great opportunity. And so if we systemically start thinking about what our students need to learn and what we can do as IT professionals to meet that need, then SOFI, somewhere down the food chain, plays a really important role. It would be a mistake to put a tool, because that's what we do wrong. We say, here's a tool, find a reason. We have a reason, let's find the tool.